Hello again. Today I'm doing a short presentation of one of my favorite pens or instruments for writing, because it's not just a pen. This is the Rotring Tikky 3-in-1, and it's a very affordable writing tool from Rotring. It's available in two colors, white as this one or black, and it features a metallic stainless steel metallic clip to prevent it from rolling, and also to placing it in your pocket, in your chest pocket. Its main characteristic, though, is that it has three colors you can choose. It's for the pen part, it has blue or red, and also it's a 0.7 mechanical pencil, and it has a gravitational mechanism, which is, I find, pretty cool for depending on which of the functions you need to use. So the way you use this, let's say if you need to write with the blue pen, you just orient the blue towards you and push the button. This will release the blue color. Okay, let's see. Okay. The retraction button, it's available for all of the functions, so the blue, the red, and the mechanical pencil function. Also, they all work, retract using this button. Let's say you want to use the red, you just point the red spot towards you and push the button. The red pen function will be available now. If you want to use the pencil, just use the button to advance the pencil tip. Push it several times for the lead to advance, and you're good to go. It's one of the most versatile writing tools I use in my everyday life. I'm using this. I've been using this pen for 3-4 years now, and I write with it every single day. It's very affordable. It's like $5 or something. It uses some special refills. It's the D1 refill, ballpoint and blue, or ballpoint red. They look like this. Or the standard 0.7 lead refills. Changing the refill very easy. Just unscrew the tip and remove the refill from here, place a new one, and you're good to go. Very affordable, very good writing tool. If you have any questions, use the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my other videos also.